Hello smart learners, welcome back to our math lesson. Today we're going to learn how to convert a number from base 5 to base 10. Before we start, let's quickly understand what a number base is. A number base tells us how many different digits we can use to write numbers. For example, base 10 uses the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Base 5 uses only 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now notice that in base 5, the digit 5 is not allowed because the largest digit must always be 1 less than the base. So today, our goal is to change numbers written in base 5 into ordinary numbers written in base 10. So now here's the rule. To convert a number from base 5 to base 10, the first thing is we are to write the powers of 5 under each digit. Second, multiply each digit by its corresponding power of 5. And the third rule to note is add all the answers together. So let's see some examples. Convert 23 base 5 to base 10. So let's remember our rules. So for step 1, we're going to write out the powers of 5. So we have 5 raised to power 0 and 5 raised to power 1, okay, under each digit. The second step is to multiply. So we're going to multiply 2 times 5 raised to power 1, which would give us 2 times 5, because 5 raised to power 1 is the same thing as 5, which is equals to 10. Then 3 times 5 raised to power 0, which 5 raised to power 0 is 1. So that's 3 times 1, which would give us 3. So we'll sum up our numbers, which is 10 plus 3, which gives us 13. So our answer is 23 base 5 gives us 13 base 10. Excellent. Now let's move straight to the second example. So convert 142 base 5 to base 10. Same rule, we're still sticking to the rules. So we'll write out the powers of 5. So under each number, we'll write 5 raised to power 0, 5 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 2. So would multiply as usual. We already know that 5 raised to power 2 is 5 times 5, which gives us 25. And of course, 1 times 25 gives us 25. Then next is 4 times 5 raised to power 1, which is the same as 4 times 5, which gives us 20. And lastly, 2 times 1, which is of course 5 raised to power 0, that gives us 1, gives us a 2. So now let's sum up all our answers gotten. So we have 25 plus 20 plus 2, which gives us a total of 47. So our answer is 142 base 5 is equal to 47 base 10. Great job! Now for the last example, would convert 4102 base 5 to base 10. As usual, we write out our powers, which we have 5 raised to power 0, 5 raised to power 1, 5 raised to power 2, and 5 raised to power 3. So we would so 5 raised to power 3 gives us 125, which is 5 times 5 times 5. 5 raised to power 2, 5 times 5, which gives us 25. 5 raised to power 1, same thing, 5, and 5 raised to power 0 is 1. Then move over to the multiplication stage. So 4 times 125 gives us 500. 1 times 25 gives us 25. 0 times 5 gives us a 0, and 2 times 1 gives us a 2. So we'll sum up all our numbers now. 500 plus 25 plus 0 plus 2 gives us 527 base 10. Fantastic. Now a quick tip. Remember that any number raised to the power of 0 equals 1. For example, 5 raised to power 0 is 1. 10 raised to power 0 is 1. 100 raised to power 0 is also 1. So this helps us solve the last digit easily. So your turn. Now it's your turn to try 1 by yourself. So convert 324 base 5 to base 10. So pause this video and work it out. I'll reveal the answer as soon as you press play. Okay, so for the solution, we have 3 times 5 raised to power 2, which gives us 3 times 25 equals 75. 2 times 5 raised to power 1 equals to 2 times 5, which gives us 10. 4 times 5 raised to power 0 equals 4 times 1, which gives us 4. So we'll sum up all the numbers. We have 75 plus 10 plus 4, which gives us 89. So our answer is 324 base 5 equals to 89 base 10. Awesome. So if you had 89 base 10, you did so well. Super proud of you. Well done, everyone. Today we learned how to convert numbers from base 5 to base 10 by writing the powers of 5, multiplying each digit by its place value, adding the results together. So if you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to VSA EduTube for more exciting math lessons. See you in the next video. Bye!